Van Allmen is a Swiss alpine ski racer specializing in speed disciplines. He is widely regarded as one of the most promising young talents in Swiss skiing and made history in 2025 by winning gold medals in both the downhill and the team combined event at the FIS Alpine World Ski Championships in Saalbach, Austria. His first World Cup podium came in January 2024 in a Super G at Garmisch-Partenkirchen, Germany. His first victory was a year later in January 2025, also a Super G, this time on home country snow in Wengen. A few weeks later at the 2025 World Championships in Saalbach, Austria, Van Allmen won 2 gold medals in downhill and team combined with Loic Meliard. Born in Baltingen, Bernese Overland, Switzerland, Franju grew up in a skiing family with deep roots in the region. His father, a farmer, and his mother, a teacher, supported his passion for the sport from a young age. He began skiing at age 3 and joined the local ski club in Baltingen before progressing through the Swiss Junior Development System. Secured his maiden World Cup win on January 12, 2025 in the Super G at Wengen, Switzerland, becoming the first Swiss male skier to win a World Cup race on home snow in Wengen since Didier Karsch in 2012. World Championships 2025 at the 2025 FIS World Championships in Saalbach, Austria, Van Allmen won. He achieved his breakthrough on January 28, 2024 with a third place in the Super G at Garmisch-Partenkirchen, Germany. He made his debut in the Alpine Ski World Cup on March 18, 2023 in the downhill at Aspen, Colorado.